Hi, it's Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales out here in Bakersfield at Soto Welding, our partner and friend company. And they removed this toolbox from a truck, and this toolbox, as you can see, I don't want to touch this thing, is so dirty. Oh my God, I did touch. Okay, here you go. Okay, on the other side you'll see. So here's a toolbox. Dimensions are in the description, and it closes. Nothing wrong with it. Here it is. It's not rusty. We'll install it for you as well. And we have other toolboxes. There's this one here, and there's this big one right here. And of course we can sand it and paint it, but this one doesn't need paint. This one on top doesn't need paint. All right, thank you. I hope to see you here soon.